All right, guys, so this is the steepest hill in town. Nobody's behind you.
Okay, I see the brake though.
Okay. Oh boy, you're going backwards.
Clutch in.
You needed 1% more throttle.
Okay.
Same thing, you're ready to go. Hey! All right, guys. So welcome back again. We got Dane here.
The kid who can't formulate a sentence.
Dane, we did a cool reaction video. Actually, the first reaction video we've done in the Cobra, and I'll put some clips in there right now. This is right where the draggy fell off.
Really? So rowdy, that was so sick. That is so, it never gets old.
So anyways, Dane was telling me that he's only driven a standard once, and I got a 2018 Fiesta ST. This is my daily. This is quite possibly the best car to teach somebody how to drive a standard or manual. So I thought, what a great opportunity. I can maybe try to teach other people a little bit. If you saw this video, we're gonna see Dane, we're gonna see how he does, and we'll bring him to a really steep hill like after about 5 minutes and just see if he stalls it out. So to start off, I would say you're at a pretty good advantage, because I feel when I'm trying to teach somebody how to drive a standard, you have a mechanical understanding of like what a transmission does, like gears. Okay, for example, why would you not want to be in 6th gear in your driveway? Or why would you not want to be in 1st gear on the highway? You have to have an understanding of that to really give yourself any hope of driving a standard. And the best examples I can give is, we all started our days with a 7-speed Huffy or a 9-speed or whatever it is, and you would remember, you know, 1st gear for steep hill, and if you're flying, you'd be in, you know, top gear, whatever speed, whatever those bikes are. And it's exactly the same principles when you're driving, you know, a standard. You know, like right now we're in 4th, we're doing 2,000 RPM. You know, if we went to 2nd, it's 4,000 RPM. But if you don't have that kind of ideas in your head, you're gonna be struggling a little bit. So I think you're gonna do mostly okay.
I think it'll be a smoothness thing, really.
Well, this car is really easy to drive with the standard because number one, it's light. Number two, it does actually make pretty good torque. It is only a 1.6 liter, which is really small. I mean, the SRT4 has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, which doesn't sound that much larger until you realize it's 50% larger.
True.
So this is a little tiny motor, tiny little turbo on it, which means it doesn't make the best top-end power, but it's got a lot of like low-end grunt like that, which really helps and makes it easy to drive. So I think you're gonna do all right.
It's a pretty good analysis, I think.
Plus, it has hill assist, so you shouldn't fail all too bad. You might do a burnout though. You might do a burnout. I mean,
the roads are wet.
The roads are wet. It is on a fairly sticky summer tire one, Continental Extreme Sport, Extreme Sports. But I mean, this thing is a tire shredder, for example. So like, we can just get on it in first. I mean, it will just light the tires up. Well, when I say tire, I mean light the tire, because it's a open differential.
It's a one-wheel peel?
It's a one-wheel peel, 197 horsepower, little
ripper?
Little ripper. All right, so third time's a charm. So we're in your driveway here. You should be really familiar with this. We'll get it in first. Okay, take your foot off the brake. Slowly take your foot off of the clutch until you start to see the RPMs fall a little bit. At that point, give it a little gas.
Okay, I did not know that. So I'm kind of cheating a little bit.
So again, you just kind of get it to where it wants to go, and then slowly from there let it go. A little bit faster than that. That's it.
Oh. Oh.
That's not too bad, right?
No, that's not
It's
too
about
bad.
knowing the spot on the clutch pedal that all the action happens.
Yeah, it's like
mid-ish top.
You're like 60%.
Okay, so that bottom 40% don't really mean nothing to you. So you could bring it up to that spot. There you go. Like honestly, that's like a B+ right there.
Bet. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So try it again. Now you can just give it the slightest amount of gas. I'm talking like 1100 RPMs, like not 15. Like, yeah, dude, that's easy.
I don't think I did.
All right, so we'll get going up the hill. Bring it up to like 2500.
Okay.
Clutch in, hand on the shifter. Straight down. Clutch out.
Do I have to give it gas? Oh, no, I don't, right?
No, not really.
Okay.
So you're in second gear. Second gear up this hill is probably good. What we don't want to happen is when you shifted at that time, you saw the RPMs fall all the way down to 1. It's because it took you too long to shift it, so you lost your
I wasn't ready
momentum. So you couldn't go 2 to 3 if you want. So 2 to 3, you're just gonna like that, just like this, palm out, straight up.
All right, I'm gonna do it right when we get to the top of this hill.
Yep.
So I don't slow down too much.
Okay.
So
clutch in, gas off, palm out. That's it. Clutch out. That's it.
Okay.
And you don't really need to slip it when you're shifting. You gotta slip the clutch a little bit to start off and first. But 1 to 2, 2 to 3, it really should be. Yo, man, get into it real quick. Floor it. Just don't. That was what you call torque steer. If you didn't like, did you not see yourself all of a sudden we're gonna kill the Amazon guy? That's torque steer.
Okay. So I'm gonna.
Oh no, you can go on the highway. Clutch in.
Oh, highway?
Yeah.
All right. So am I going into third now?
Okay, rev it up to like 1500, or just slowly take it out.
Slowly
take it out. Slowly take the. That. See, that's not too bad. Okay. Get in it. Just don't fucking crash it, dude.
I'm not gonna crash it. All right.
All right. Highway. Okay. Perfect. So we're in 4th. 5th.
No, that was 3rd.
Yeah, we would have found out.
I would not have money shifted the Fiesta.
Well, I mean, it would have been fine. 3rd goes to like 90. So.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang.
So you can go to 6th if you want, but 5th right here is not too bad. I'm not trying to tie a passenger in a 200 horsepower car. if I die in a vehicle, I swear to God, it better have more horsepower than 197.
That would be embarrassing.
All right, so now we can have a little back road fun. Traction control off. Not that I want you doing a burnout here, but it's a fun car. It's a fun road, so that's it. You just mint. We're good. Go up to 3000. Shift. Out. Let out. Perfect.
But it goes down further.
No, you're good. Now don't go too fast, but you know, you can have a little fun. You know how to drive a car, right?
Yes.
At this point, you're just driving.
Now I'm driving.
But we are going to the steepest hill in town, and I'm gonna make you do a hill start.
Okay. So that would require gas for
It's gonna automatic. So the hard thing is when you want to take your foot off of the brake to go from the brake to the gas. So your clutch is in, and you're on the brake. What the problem is when you let your foot off the brake and you get to the gas, you're gonna start rolling back. But this car has hill start assist, where for 3 seconds it will hold the brake automatically for you before you get to the gas. So as soon as you get to the gas, it's gonna release the brake.
Okay.
So
I have 3 seconds to get it going.
You got about 3 seconds, okay? So it's just clutch, brake, clutch is still in, let your foot off the brake, get to the gas a little bit, and just do that same
little
pendulum movement, and you'll be fine.
Okay. Assist. Okay. Interesting.
So, oh. There it is. There it is.
Man.
There it is. Okay. Sorry. It's all right. We're good. This person.
Cannot believe that.
Yeah, you just.
I
Yeah.
can't believe that. I was just not paying attention.
You're just not paying attention. I know you know what to
my
do. Like,
God.
that's easy, right?
Oh my God.
Okay, you're gonna have to redeem yourself. Get back into second. Get up to like, no, hold up. Get to like 3,000 RPM.
Yep.
2 hands on the wheel, and just give it the beans.
I can't do it. I don't know.
Oh, there's a good. That was a not bad shift.
Thanks.
I mean, it was better than stalling it, but
That was painful. On flat ground, I just really was not paying attention. Ouch. This is, you don't even have to give it gas to make it go.
feels good on this road though.
I know, it's fun. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, even when we were going to get subs and you were like, you know, doing this, like, these seats are sick.
Roads are a little wet, so you gotta be careful, but this car talks to you really well and will communicate when it's losing grip. And when you do lose grip, the only thing that's really gonna happen is you're gonna get understeer. It's not gonna come around and hit you in the face. All right, so you're gonna stop literally like right here.
I don't think
Nobody's behind you. Nobody's behind you. All right, so Dane, this is the steepest hill in town. Nobody's behind you.
Okay, I see the brake though.
Okay. Oh boy, you're going backwards. You took more than 3 seconds, so the brake let off.
Yeah.
So keep your foot on both.
Okay.
As soon as you take your foot off the brake, just transition to the gas and just kind of let your foot off the clutch and it will go. Or you'll spin the tires. Or my clutch. Okay. That didn't work so hot. Put it in first. Okay. You're gonna take the foot off the clutch just like an inch, right? As soon as you come off of the brake, get to the gas and bring the clutch all the way up in that smooth motion.
Okay. All right.
Give it a whirl. Take 4.
Here she goes.
Steep hill. Take 4.
I was close.
You're close. Okay, we're gonna try the same thing though. You needed 1% more throttle.
Okay.
Same thing, you're ready to go. Hey! Well, don't leave me here, you dummy. Oh, there he goes. You're gonna try 2 for 2, or are you gonna end it on a good note? No, end it on a good note.
I'll go there.
2 for 2?
Yeah. Oh, I figured you'd be in this one.
Oh, here, I'll get
I
in.
don't want to drive without you. Oh. Is it on? Yeah.
All right, Dane, 2 for 2.
Okay.
It's a steep hill.
I was not smooth by any means.
No, but it didn't stall.
No. Okay.
Go for it.
Oh, that was gonna be smooth.
It was gonna work.
Why didn't
Because you
I stay in
chickened
it?
out. You chickened out.
Okay.
You pulled out too soon, Dane.
I
It's
did.
like the stock market. You never know when to pull out.
Okay. All right.
All right.
I
So
peeled.
you did a burnout and you burned the hell out of my clutch, but you didn't stall.
Did it again. All right. Well, I got it moving.
No, I mean, you're not starting on a hill like this every time.
I think
So-
little incline, slight incline. Oh, we could have done it over here. That would have been real disrespectful.
No, well, it's because this road's too fast.
And also too much traffic. Going
Dane,
backwards. Yeah.
you're in neutral.
Facts. You're speaking facts right there.
It should work better in a gear.
Also, will this have hill assist?
It will now, yes.
Oh man. Also, is that noise like your clutch moving?
I mean, yeah, it's complaining a little bit, but that's all right.
Okay. I just feel bad. What? I don't know what clutch smells like.
Burning clutch smells like almost like burning hair. It's a very aggressive, acidic smell. It's almost akin to burnt tire, but with more sadness.
Do you go?
All right, so we're coming up to probably the most complex turn in the entire city.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna downshift to 3rd real quick.
Oh shit.
Don't, no brake. Clutch in, rev it to 3,000, clutch out. 3,000-ish, clutch out. Right here,
3,000-ish,
clutch out. Okay.
Sorry, it was slow,
Okay,
but I made
You're
it
gonna want to
happen.
brake a little bit. No clutch. Don't touch the yellow. Stay on your side and just get in the gas. Get in the gas. There you go. Yeah, hit some boost. There you go.
Some boost. Love some boost. I'm moving around this pothole. We'll hit this
Boost,
one.
boobs, bacon, bucks.
Yeah, yeah.
And now you have traffic.
Oh, that shift was crispy.
No, it was a crisp shift.
What is this? What even is that?
2 to 3.
I just like this one. Oh my gosh. Come on.
The edits on this are gonna
That's
be...
the best one right there. You can't see it, but it's nice. Oh,
Keep it in third for the hill.
Okay. I feel like a rally driver. You're just telling me what to do.
3 to 4.
Are you ready for this?
Yep.
Oh my god.
But I like the paddles. The paddles are just as fun.
No way. No way. No way.
Well, they do call it a manual.
Give me
That's it.
some.
That's it. That's
Give me
it.
some.
Okay. That's it. You're
That's
done.
facts. Did I pass?
You passed.